Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about ATP. ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate, and this is considered as an energy currency of the cell. Either plants or animals, for all the living organisms, ATP will act as an energy currency to each and every cell. The energy releasing process in a cell involves oxidation and reduction reactions. During oxidation of respiratory substrates within a cell, the energy contained in them is released in a series of slow stepwise reactions controlled by respiratory enzymes. All the energy contained in a respiratory substrate is not released free into the cell. It is trapped as chemical energy in the chemical bonds of organic phosphates for use when needed. These energy-rich compounds are called the energy carriers. The most important energy carrier is ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. It carries energy in the two terminal phosphate bonds. The formation of these bonds requires a large amount of energy because they are formed against a force of repulsion between similarly charged radicals, that is P and P. Hence, these bonds are known as the high energy or energy rich bonds. These bonds are shown in the chemical formulae. The high energy bonds are unstable and readily break down by addition of water, releasing a correspondingly large amount of energy and freeing inorganic phosphates. The energy released by ATP is used by the cell in its chemical reactions and is called the biologically useful energy. Cellular respiration thus primarily serves to create a high energy chemical bonds in energy carriers. ATP is mobile and transports the chemical energy to the energy consuming process anywhere within the cell. However, the ATP molecules do not pass from one cell to another. Biological oxidation may release about 114.5 kilocalories of energy per mole of oxygen reduced, and this energy can produce 6 high energy bonds of ATP. Removal of the terminal phosphate group of ATP by hydrolysis yields ADP, a free phosphate group, and 7.3 kilocalories of energy per mole. Separation of the terminal phosphate group of ADP by another hydrolysis gives AMP and phosphate and releases 7.3 kilocalories of energy per mole. ATP was discovered by Carl Lohmann in 1929. Its formation and breakdown by union and separation of high energy phosphate was described in 1941 by Fritz Lippmann, a German biochemist in USA and Nobel laureate. Lippmann also proposed the sign sigma for a high energy bond. Thank you.